Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the security. Let's tap on it. Now let's enter more settings, and here on the third position we've got encryption and credentials. Here, delete all credentials, just tap on it and confirm it with delete. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.